Guys, what's up? It's your boy named Yakov Karni, and I'm back with a brand new video. And the topic we're gonna do today is a very special video. I say to all you guys in my audience that I am never gonna make another video on doing unboxing, but this time I'm doing this new unboxing video because my old computer was always crashing and I couldn't release a new video, and I wanted to continue grinding my videos, but it was very difficult to have my old computer. And I finally ordered a new computer, and I am so excited to open this. And please watch the video until the end and subscribe. So let's jump on in. Alright, so what we have right now, we're gonna unbox a new MacBook Pro. This is what we got in the box. And now we're gonna open it. In a second. Cool. What? That is so cool, guys. Look at this. It's like brand new, and it's amazing. So this is the new MacBook Pro. It came out last year in 2024, and you guys are wondering how much gigabytes does it have. I ordered a 4 TB with 32 RAM, and it's pretty amazing. Look at the design, guys. It's sick in the head. So shout out to Apple, and hopefully Apple will give me some money in cash. I'm kidding. Now we're gonna open this side. All right, another one. Woo! This is so cool. And now the truth. This is so sick. I actually have a case. Guys, this is so pretty. This is better than my old computer. My old computer was like, I didn't like it as much, but this is really nice. It's very thin. It's very light. Not that strong. It's not, the weight is not like heavy, but it's amazing. And see, and then they also give us a something like a black charger, and it's pretty amazing. It actually does it. Wow, that's pretty cool, to be honest. And then it comes with, I guess, a paper, and then they give us a USB-C. This is my USB-C box. It's pretty amazing. I think it's a 7.5W or something like that. I'm not sure. I'm not really good with that calculating stuff, and that's all about it. And now we gotta open it and see how it looks like when it opens. All right. Whoa, this is so cool. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys really do enjoy this video, and I want to wish you guys a happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas. New Year's Eve is coming up, and I finally got this new computer, and I really hope that I can finish the video that I promised to my audience. And I really do promise you guys, when I make a promise, I always make a promise. And enjoy this video when you're watching this. Please subscribe to me, and have a nice day.